ka Society for Community Mobilization for Sustainable Development, New Delhi, harangkat ka Jinya Trilang bat ka Central Agricultural University Impal, kalapli perdano ya ka National Seminar kabalaisngi halor ka phang Futuristic Agriculture Technology Sustainability and Beyond. Kajing temu jong kan ka seminar ka deban wat ikilat kelenti ban kentiu susu ya ka kamrep kamriang lengba ki teknologi bat ki rukom trekam bathamai ha kajing penmi ya ki jingbam bat ka roi kapar ha ka kamrep kamriang ya kan ka program na penlong ha ka jingyalang ha College of Postgraduate Studies Agricultural Science ha umyam ya ka bala pli perda da kajing thang bombati da Dr. Sanjay Kumar Chairman ka Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board New Delhi ubade ru kongsan hagane ka sngi haba ajikren hagane ka sngi u Dr. Sanjay Kumar ulong bakane ka seminar kapan pau ya ka roi ka par jong ka rep karyang hagari India ula kenturo ya ka jeng simbenta jong ki samla ban pej ya ka kamrep kamryang kum ka lat kamai ka babyang.
Our agriculture, I think it's no more a merely production system. You will all agree on it. I think now we have moved from mere production system to value addition. We have moved towards entrepreneurship development. And today we mark agriculture as a mark of national prosperity, which several of our speakers have mentioned. And since our agriculture is safe now, you remember in 1950s when we were hardly producing 50 million ton of food grains, and today Ratsa was mentioning 332 million tons of food grains, feeding 1.4 billion of people. I think not an easy task. And that is the reason probably today we are thinking of establishing our satellite observatory. Today we are thinking of landing on the moon. Today we are thinking of taking picture of the sun. I think, and that center of that had been the agriculture. Probably at times we don't realize how important work we all are doing. So I think that's what agriculture is all about. When we say agriculture and national prosperity, today you saw this time when the war took place, again science and technology came in the forefront, which saved our nation and which saved our livelihood. During COVID, our agriculture saved everybody. So science and technology, and particularly agriculture, one cannot deny. But at the same time, we cannot be happy with the current situation. Like we all are aware, the way we are increasing in numbers, like one of our experts mentioned that our genetic gain is hardly 1%. We want to enhance 2.4%, at least by 2050. Time window is very short. And that is need of the hour. If we have to feed 1.7 at least billion people in India by 2050, we have to do that. If you don't work on taking care of the genetic gain, I think how can we achieve our goals? So I think that is one very important component that we feel we should be thinking of. Second issue, probably at times we tend to forget, is about malnutrition. If you, all of us who are sitting in this hall, I bet you go and check your vitamin D levels. You tell me how many of you are near to normal. All of you will be below normal. And here, don't we think that our agriculture system, either through mushroom technology or any some such technology which are enriched with vitamin D, because our habits are not like that we don't take sun bath. Earlier our farmer used to be always taking sun bath. So they never had vitamin D deficiency. Our skin is the natural synthesizer of vitamin D. So our agriculture scientists, they have a challenge to meet malnutrition. So you have crops for biofortification, whether it is for zinc, iron, these are very well defined. But we always have to remember that this malnutrition is also a very important component that we should take care. Dr. Sharma ji raised a very important point on veterinary science. But very important issue about veterinary science is we are 1.4 billion, and if you add all livestock, poultry together, that is also close to 1.4 billion. They are as good as our population. For us, we have malnutrition program. For us, we have midday meal program. But for our that 1.4 other half what we have. We are feed deficient country. I think we need to take care of our feed situation.